Hey, this is Jamie, the creative hands behind Stuffs and Things by JD, where I design show-stopping wreaths and home decor that blend quality, drama, and just the right amount of over-the-top flair. So today we're going to step into the dark side and go Gothic Easter style. This isn't your pastel bunnies kind of Easter wreath, nope. We are talking deep, rich textures, moody florals, frayed ribbon, and a hint of vintage glam. I'm putting the final touches on this beautiful wreath base, and trust me, the frayed velvet ribbon, it's that perfectly tattered sophistication that screams elegance with this vintage sign. Details matter, and this wreath, it's all about the drama. Every piece I have personally picked and layered with personal intention, because if we're going in Gothic, we're doing it big. If you love breaking the wreath rules and making bold statements, you are in the right place. Now I'm going to let the music take over while you watch this process come to life to finish. Don't be shy, drop your questions or even your thoughts about this wreath in the comments. I love hearing what each of you think and chatting with all of you about anything design. So sit back, enjoy the music, let the creativity flow. And if you're loving this vibe, don't forget to like, follow, or drop a comment below and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep styling, and stay beautifully bold.